What's up, guys? It's Cassidy. Welcome back to my channel. I still can't get over the fact that I do that every time I start a video. I can't believe April is over. Like, this is actually insane. So today I have a favorites video for you guys since it is the end of one month, the beginning of another. I'm here with a favorites video. I want to talk about all of the products that I've been obsessed with this month. There aren't that many, but there are a few gems. We've got some real gems this month. Finally, New York is catching up to the warmer weather. It's really hot right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the video. But before we do so, please hit that like button down below. You guys know it helps me out so much when you hit the like button. And while you're down there, might as well subscribe as well. Become a part of the CassidySecrets family, because you know you want to, and I'll love you forever. You're watching anyway, you might as well subscribe. Just saying. Now that you're done with all that fun stuff, let's just get into the video. So first, I'm going to talk about skin because I feel like my skin has just been glowing lately. I've been letting it breathe a little bit more than I normally do. And when I say a little bit more, I mean a tiny bit more. I'm still wearing pretty much the same amount of makeup, but as I've been mentioning in my more recent videos, I'm just trying to keep it lighter as far as like my foundation. I try to keep it lighter on my skin, and the way I do that is I use a BB cream now, and then the places that I want some more full coverage, I'll just go in with like a heavier concealer. So I'm trying to just like lay off foundation for a little bit, just because I feel like, I don't know why, my skin has so much texture lately, and I know you can't really see it on camera, but in person it's bumpy. It's not pimples and it's not blackheads, but it's just these little things that I feel like are underneath the surface of my skin that it just is texture, and I don't know what to do about it because it's not like I can pop them and get rid of them because they're just like underneath the skin, like there's no head to it. You know what I mean? So my way of keeping it lighter is just by using a BB cream. This BB cream is by Purlisse, and it's their tinted moist cream. I'm in the shade medium and it matches my skin perfectly, which kind of says a lot about the shade range. I'm not sure how this shade range is, but my skin tone is definitely not a medium skin tone, but this shade is medium, so it works for me. I love this BB cream because it gives me that glow that I've really been missing. Like over the winter, I feel like I kind of just really caked on the makeup, and I was like about all of the powder, a lot of powder all over my face. And mind you, I have dry skin, so it doesn't take much for my skin to look matte, but it does take much more effort for my skin to look dewy or even oily, especially in the colder months. So this thing has been helping my skin just look more glowing, look more youthful. And what I like about it is the coverage is really good. Like, it has really decent coverage for a BB cream, but it still lets my skin shine through, which makes me feel like I'm wearing a more breathable kind of base. That's what I've been trying to go for. I'm trying to keep it lighter on my skin, lighter, but I've really been loving this. I feel like I'm almost already done with the bottle, and I just think it's so good. I know I'm gonna use it all summer. If any of you watching are the type of girls that don't wear foundation at all and you just want something to throw on that's easy to apply and feels comfortable on the skin, then this is for you. This is a really great everyday all over skin product. If you have oily skin, you'll definitely have to powder yourself down a little bit more, but since my skin is dry, it's like the perfect amount of glow. Staying on the whole glowing topic, I recently found this highlighter duo by Pixi. Where the hell have I been? Like, where has anyone been for this thing? This is their Glowy Gossamer Duo in Subtle Sunrise. The pigment on this highlighter, first of all, I'm only wearing it today on my cheekbones. I even put a little bit like on my body. Both colors are beautiful. This one is like way more of a pinky tone, and this one is like the perfect champagne for my skin tone. I absolutely love both of them. I'm not sure if they're picking up right now on camera, but they are absolutely stunning. So I do have a full face of Pixi tutorial coming out after this video. I tried it out for the first time on camera, and I'll be showing that video next week to you guys. It's a full face of only using Pixi products, and the reason why I tried this was because I was filming that video, and I am so happy that I found this because ever since I filmed that video, I've been wearing it non-stop. It's one of those formulas that almost feels like it's wet. I love that there's 2 highlighters in one. The packaging is very compact and sleek, and the formula is amazing. It makes you look so glowing. You can either go subtle with it, or you can just like really blind it to outer space. And let me tell you guys, if you haven't tried this highlighter, please, please, please go out and try it because it is so good. Now, just to mattify things a little bit, I'm gonna give a shout out to this powder because I found it this month. They actually sent it to me and I really, really love it. This is the Dermablend Loose Setting Powder, and it's in the original shade, which is basically translucent. I love 2 things about this powder. The first thing is that it mattifies your skin, but it makes your skin feel really, really soft and silky. Like, I only put this under my eyes because, again, I'm trying to go for a more like youthful glowing look. So I only put this under my eyes to just make sure my concealer doesn't move. And when I put it over my concealer, whatever concealer I'm wearing, it just like makes my under eye so smooth. I feel like it blurs all of my little fine lines that I have under there and makes my under eyes look like bright and smooth. So the second thing that I love about this is a little bit of the brightness does stay on your under eyes even after you buff out like the extra product that's under there if you're baking. So I like that it kind of like slightly, very, very slightly brightens my under eyes. I really am a huge fan of this powder. You guys know I've been in love with my RCMA no color powder, but the no color powder really has no color. And what I like about this one is that a little bit of that brightness does stay behind, so your under eyes are snatched. I have another product from Pixi to mention because this one is the thing that has been tying my makeup all together. Whether I have a very cakey, powdery face on or a very glowing, luminous, radiant look, this facial spray has been my savior. So this is the Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist. It has rose water and green tea. So I did try this spray out a long time ago, but the one that I had, the nozzle was like messed up on it. So the sprayer kind of got a little wonky and was shooting out like literally a straight shooter, but this one, it's perfectly fine. Like, it has a really fine, even mist and just really like saturates your skin. And obviously the main reason why I love it is because I could have any type of makeup on, and when I finish it off with this setting spray, it makes everything kind of like sink into one another and really look like I'm glowing from within, really look like whatever makeup, however much makeup I have on my face, it just sinks into my skin. And I love that because nobody has time for like a cakey face anymore. It helps your makeup look as natural as it possibly can. I want to give a quick shout out to a gloss that I have been wearing, that I'm actually wearing right now. So if you guys are wondering what I have on my lips, it is the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Gloss in the shade Yaaas, with 3 A's in the middle of the Y and the S. Now, I kind of feel so guilty talking about this gloss because I am the first person to be like, I hate a sticky gloss. Like, I hate sticky lip glosses. And this lip gloss, it's sticky, honey. Like, I'm telling you, it's not no natural lightweight kind of gloss. It is sticky for sure. I'm not gonna lie to you guys about that. But although it's sticky, I love the color and the shine so much that I honestly don't even care about the stickiness. And another good thing about glosses that are a little bit more sticky, they do last way longer. So I can wear this for a few hours and it'll still have that shine, it'll still have the pigment. Since I love the shade and the shine of it so much, I'm like, whatever, who cares about a sticky gloss? I love sticky glosses. And you guys know I'm obsessed with my nude glosses, so whenever I find a new one that I love, I have to tell you guys about it. Alright you guys, so that is it for this favorites. I feel like I went through that really fast. Is it just me? or watch this video be like 35 minutes long. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love talking to you guys about my favorites just because sometimes it's so much easier to just sit down, have a chill video where I'm talking to you guys about my favorite products and I don't have to worry about like showing step-by-step stuff. So I really love doing these favorites videos. Let me know if you guys are liking them. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because you know how much it means to me from the very bottom of my heart. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!